Derivation of circle equation from a given point. If you have a line drawn from the center of the circle, if a line drawn from the center of the circle to the circumference at point x and y on the circumference, and the center of that circle is x is A and y is B. So if I trace that point to there, that would be A. And if I trace that point to there, that would be B. But also if I trace this point from there to there, that would be X. If I trace that point from there to there, that would be Y. But the distance I need is, I need this point here, that distance here, and that distance here. And this distance is Y minus B, the height, and that length is X minus A. And the radius of this circle is R. This is right angle. Now I can apply Pythagoras theorem. Which, if I have a right angle triangle, and this side is A and this side is B, and that's C, therefore C squared equals A squared plus B squared. I can apply that here with my triangle in a circle. So I can say X minus A squared, that's the A here, plus Y minus B squared, that's the B here, will be equal to R squared, that's the C. Circle equation from a given point A and B is X minus A squared plus Y minus B squared will be equal to R squared. And if I expand the equation, X minus A squared would be X squared minus 2AX plus A squared plus Y squared minus 2BY plus B squared equals R squared. So I can rewrite this as X squared plus Y squared minus 2AX minus 2BY plus A squared plus B squared minus R squared equal to 0. And if we say let that be a constant C, therefore we can write the equation of a circle as X squared plus Y squared minus 2AX minus 2BY plus C equal to 0. So we know that C equals A squared plus B squared minus R squared. Therefore, R squared equals A squared plus B squared minus C, and therefore R is A squared plus B squared minus C square root. So this is now the equation of a circle from a given point, AB, we can rearrange, expand this equation and turn it into x squared plus y squared minus 2ax minus 2by plus c, where c equals a squared plus b squared minus r squared here. And then we can rearrange that and say, well, r equals square root of a squared plus b squared minus c.